We're going to show you how to use the loyalty program in the Pay for Salon. There are three parts to setting up a loyalty program: how to issue loyalty points, what the value of the points are, and redeeming the loyalty points. Creating a loyalty program takes a little thought on how you want to set it up. You need to set how to issue loyalty reward points, which determines how you set the value for the points. In the back office, go to the loyalty program setup. We're going to create a new loyalty program. Enter a name for the loyalty program. We're going to enter $1 per point. There are different rules we can select. Loyalty points for each visit, which means we issue a certain amount of points for each visit. Amount spent for loyalty points, which means for every dollar you get a certain number of points. And a price range for loyalty points, which means that we can set a price matrix to issue points. We're going to select amount spent for loyalty points, and for every dollar you're going to get 1 point. Update to save, and the loyalty program is created. Let's take a look at the other loyalty programs. So in this one, we're setting loyalty points for each visit, and for every visit we get 100 points. In the price range for loyalty points, we have a price matrix. So you can see that level 1 starts from $10 and ends at $20, and you get 20 points. Now, if you spend less than $10, you will not get any loyalty points. And then we have different levels, and you'll notice that it goes up to $1,000 for 100 points. A good rule of thumb is to set the value of the points to 5% or 10%, somewhere between 5 and 10%. And the easiest program to set up is to just, for every dollar you spend, you get a certain number of points. We're going to keep it simple, so $1, 1 point. That's what we're going to use. Now let's go to the company profile. Go to the gift and loyalty program tab. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a loyalty redemption setting. We can set two different things, meaning fixed points, meaning for every point, it'll equal a certain dollar value. We also have a level range. So from $1 to $10, it would take 200 points to redeem. From $10.01 to $20, it would take 375 points to redeem. So you see you get a little more value for your points. Same thing in level 3, from $20.01 to $30, it's 550 points. You get a little bit better value again. Now, if anything costs below $1, we won't be able to use loyalty points to redeem it. If anything is above $30, because we don't have a price for those, you won't be able to use loyalty points to redeem it as well. We're going to go back to our fixed. And this is the easiest way to set it up. Is just 1 point is equal to a certain dollar value. And for issuing the points, for every dollar you spend, you get a certain number of points. Now, on the right side, you'll also notice that we have a loyalty points reward multiplier. And what that's used is just to give you a little extra incentive to spend. So let's say that Wednesday and Thursdays are the salon's slowest days. Well, what we can do is give the customers a little bit more points. So let's say we'll double the points on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So every time they earn points on Wednesdays and Thursdays, if they normally get 1 point, they would now get 2. Now we can use a point multiplier, so we can make it 2.5. So for every point they normally earn, they could earn 2.5 points. So that's how we set it up as far as issuing and redeeming the points. Now let's use the points. Start a ticket. Before we can issue the points, we have to select the customer and activate them with a card. We're going to select the customer. From the payment screen, we can activate a loyalty card. So we're going to activate the member card. Swipe the member card. And then select the loyalty program. We're going to do $1 per point. And of course, pay for the ticket. Just like a gift card, we can activate a member card inside a ticket or from the manager function screen. So we go to the manager functions, we can click activate, and we get the same activate member card screen. Works in the same way. So let's go back into a ticket. And when we select the customer, this time we can see that she has a member ID and we can see the loyalty points. We can see that she has 28 points and the value of the points is $1.40. Now, the value of the points is based on the redemption value set in the company profile. If we exit out, we can check the balance from the main screen, go to the functions, enter the password, check gift card balance, click on the gift card, which will change it to read loyalty cards. Now swipe the loyalty card, and we get the same balance information. So we have the value and the actual points. Cancel. And we're back on the main screen. We're going to make a few more sales just to give this customer, Emily, a little more points. Okay, Emily now has a lot more points. So let's go into the ticket, select the customer. To redeem the points, add some services. Let's go to the payment screen. You can see that her point value is $29.90. To redeem the points, simply select the loyalty points. And the ticket amount is $25. The point balance is 598. The required points to pay for this ticket is 500. If they have enough points, click OK to process. And you just use loyalty points to pay for a ticket.